I'm Mike with Conservation Garden Park, and today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about one of the most asked questions we get when it comes to installing an irrigation system, and that is, how do you get from one lawn out to a park strip underneath your sidewalk? We're going to show you how actually easy that is to do today. First part we have is this part right here. And you can see it looks like a high pressure hose nozzle, which is exactly what it is. This connects to a 1/2-inch PVC line. Now you can see I've got 1.5 inches. I've just built up a couple and glued it in place so that we have a bigger line, because I'm going to be installing a conduit through the sidewalk and then running the pipe actually through the conduit. The second piece we have, and you can see we've got a pipe long enough to go through the sidewalk, is this piece right here. And this is the other side of that. It connects to the PVC the same way the front one does, but also connects to a hose on the other side. And then we're going to be making a stream of jet, which is how we're going to be digging our tunnel underneath the sidewalk. Okay, so I'm going to put the safety glasses on. We're going to send a lot of particles up when we're doing this. So you just grab a hold of it and you push it and twist it, push it and twist it, push it and twist it as you get through there until you kind of pop through on the other side.